Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change fonts in WordPress without coding. If you have ever tried to change fonts in WordPress using the default settings, you already know how confusing it can feel. By default, WordPress does not give you many options to quickly change the look of your text. You usually have to search for custom code, install extra plugins, or edit theme files. This can be time-consuming and frustrating, especially if you only want to make a simple style change. That is why many people use a theme builder like Divi. With Divi, you can change fonts without touching a single line of code. It gives you a visual way to edit your site so you can see changes happen right in front of you. Let me show you how it works. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and make sure you have the Divi theme installed and activated. On the left menu, if you are using Divi, you will also see Divi Theme Customizer and you can click on that. You can follow along using the link in the description. Inside the customizer, go to General Settings and then open Typography. Here you can change the header font and the body font. For example, if you want your header font to be ultra light, just select it from the dropdown. If you prefer another font, you can pick it right there. You can also set the body font and adjust things like color. For instance, if you want your text to be black, select black in the color settings. When you are done, click Publish and your new fonts will be applied across your whole site. So instead of spending hours searching for code snippets or installing multiple plugins, Divi lets you update your fonts in just a few clicks. It makes the process simple and visual, so you can focus on design and readability rather than technical details. If you'd like to try Divi yourself, click the link in the description to get it from Elegant Themes at a great price.